Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. The graph of linear polynomial. You know very well about the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is the degree of linear polynomial is 1. Yes, in one variable. I am explaining one variable. I also explained the graph of linear polynomial in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That now I am explaining graph of linear polynomial in one variable. So what is the general form of this? You know very well about the general form is ax plus b. This is the general form of linear polynomial. So where a not equal to 0. Yes. So we need to draw the graph. So the graph of this linear polynomial. What is the graph of a వస్తుంది అసలు graph అనేది explain చేసుకుంటున్నా. So before that I want to take one example. So I want to take the example 2x plus 3. Yes. So anyway, if you want to draw the graph, you need to take the total term is equal to some y, because to draw the graph we need x values and y values. So substitute the different values of x to get the value of y. Substitute different values of x to get the value of y. Your different values, some positive numbers, suppose 0. 2 into 0 plus 3. So what is the value? 3. Next I want to substitute 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Now I am to substitute 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So a few negative numbers also. So I want to substitute minus 1. So 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Now next I want to substitute 2. Minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. This is enough. So concentrate on this plotting points. Now first plotting point is 0 comma 3, x value 0, y value 3. Next 1 comma 5, x value 1, y value 5. 2 comma 7, x value 2, y value 7. Minus 1 comma 1, this is the minus 1 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1 is the place of minus 1 comma 1, this one. Next minus 2 comma minus 1 here. So you will get a straight line with help of these all points, exactly the straight line. So you need to identify the point where the touches. So here in between minus 1 and minus 2. Concentrate. When I draw the line with help of these all points, the line, this graph, this is a graph of 2x plus 3 is passes through and touches the x-axis. X-axis in meet ayin. Ekkada meet ayindho ade mana answer. Clear? So between minus 1 and minus 2 it may be minus 3 by 2 is a minus 1.5. So therefore the x value is minus 1.5. So this is called a 0 of the polynomial with help of graph. Clear? You can take any values, draw the graph properly, you will get the straight line. So what is the graph of this linear polynomial is straight line. The graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. Okay children, check this.